Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your LinkedIn Learning app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. So then come to this list here, then you click here on your name. So then come to your profile here, then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then come to this list here, then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you click here on account settings, then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video here in this list. So then you click here on advertising data here and come to this list. You click here on demographics here and you come here to use your edge for ads. You click in this sign or this color. Like you see color it's gone, that's mean you use your edge for ads disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.